Hi everybody, welcome back to Miscelabros. Today we bring you a high-range device. We're talking about the new Samsung S24 Ultra for unboxing. So let's begin with this unboxing. What's up everyone, thanks for joining us in another video. Today we are thrilled because we finally have this Samsung flagship. We have been waiting for the Samsung S24 Ultra. We are excited to unbox and review it in our channel. We are genuinely happy and excited to showcase this high-end device to all of you. So let's start with this unboxing. We expect this to be a straightforward unboxing because, as you can see, the box isn't very thick. Most Samsung products no longer come with their chargers or other accessories, so the device itself is likely the main item in the box. This is a demo unit sent to us by our contacts at Samsung Chile. We believe this will be a quick and simple unboxing. But the device is worth it. It's a flagship, top-tier device. Here we go, taking a look at it now. As you can see, the presentation is very minimalist. The small box suggests that only the phone is included, and we are not surprised that other accessories are missing, as is common with many brands nowadays. Let's see if there's any additional content. The box is beautiful, designed with a premium finish. The first impression is that it's a high-end device from every angle. The left side is smooth with no buttons, while the right side has the volume buttons and the lock button. The top and also the bottom also have microphones, a USB-C port, a slot for a micro SD card, and a space for the S Pen. Initially, that's all we see in the Samsung Galaxy S24's presentation. It's not surprising that only the phone is included. Checking the bottom of the box, there's nothing else, not even manuals or hidden compartment. Checking the top of the box, we notice a small tab. Let's pull it out. Oh my god, it's broken. We don't know what happened or where it belongs. Let's apply a bit of force here. Okay, there is it, a secret compartment hidden at the top of the box. Here we find, let's check. Oh yeah, that's right. Here we find the SIM ejector tool and the rest of the elements for the unboxing. We see the SIM tool, the instructions manual, which we always recommend reading to make the most out of your device. And here we have an USB-C to USB-C type charging and data transfer cable. So everything, that's all in this unboxing of this new Samsung S24 Ultra. Another thing we highlight, it's very important to have a USB-C type charger to avoid any charging issues with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So we also highlight that this smartphone features a completely flat screen, which we personally prefer. We have mentioned it several times on the channel that we are not fans of curved screens, as we don't find them secure, ergonomics or functional. It's great that Samsung has opted for flat screens on their flagship products, enhancing ergonomics and adding titanium edges for extra protection. Now, let's weigh the Samsung S24, and it comes in at 235 grams. It's heavier because it includes premium materials and components, such as titanium and an advanced camera module. The camera setup includes a 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with optical zoom, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel selfie camera. This abundance of technology is what we are going to detail now in the technical specifications. Okay, let's check the Samsung S24 technical specifications. The S24 has a sleek, shiny design with titanium-coated bezels and IP68 rated protection. It comes in titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet and titanium yellow. The smartphone's dimensions are 162.3mm by 79mm by 8.6mm and it weighs 233 grams according to Samsung. The display is a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz and a pixel density of 505 ppi. It features Corning Gorilla Glass for protections and a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440. Under the hood, the device runs on a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 octa-core processors with Adreno 720 GPU, 12GB of RAM, and storage options of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage. The rear camera module includes a 200 megapixels main camera with super quad pixel optical stabilization and an 85-degree field of view, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with dual pixel and a 120-degree field of view, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom and a 22-degree field of view, and another 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 36-degree field of view. The front camera is at 12 megapixels with an 80-degree field of view. In terms of sensors, the phone includes an accelerometer, barometer, fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor, light sensor, and proximity sensor. Navigation options include GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and QZSS. The 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery supports that fast charging with a 45-watt charger capable of charging the battery in 68 minutes. Connectivity features dual SIM, eSIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, UWB, and USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-C. The device runs on Samsung's One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, and includes a stereo speaker for sound. Security features include an ultrasonic fingerprint reader, 2D facial recognition, Samsung DeX, and Samsung Pay. So folks, that was the unboxing of the Samsung S24 Ultra here on our channel. Our first impression of these smartphones are that it's a premium device with a high quality construction. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Quite the opposite, it feels premium all around, especially the titanium bezel edges and the robust camera module. The screen also features Gorilla Glass technology to minimize reflections. We'll be testing this smartphone extensively to bring you a comprehensive review soon. So people, this was the unboxing of this new Samsung S24 Ultra. So stay tuned, in the next weeks we upload the full review of this device. So if you like this video, please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned on all our content. My name is Paco and this is Miscelabros and I see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.